Hi, my name is Maddie Malone, and this is Pre-Calculus Honors Period GH, and this is the review for complex numbers. The first thing that we're going to learn is adding complex numbers. The first equation we start out with is 4 plus 6i plus 3 minus 2i. You pretty much pretend the parentheses aren't there and you add them together, and you get 12 plus 4i, making sure that your I is the last number that comes. Next is subtracting complex numbers. The equation is 7 minus 10i minus 5 plus I. Make sure you put the negative into the next parentheses and you get 2 minus 11i. The next topic is a bit trickier as it's multiplying complex numbers. The first equation is 2 plus 3i times 9 minus 4i. This is a little bit trickier as you have to FOIL to all four numbers. 2 times 9 gives you 18. Then 2 times negative 4i gives you negative 8i plus 27i minus 12i squared. The I squared, make sure you gives you negative 1, which changes the negative 12 to a positive 12, giving you 30 plus 19i. Now we're going to divide two complex numbers. The equation is 5 minus 10i over 2 plus 6i. You're going to multiply the bottom by the conjugate to get the I out of the bottom. You then distribute and you get 4 plus 6i minus 6i plus 36, which cancels and gives you 40. Then you do the top and you get 10 minus 30i minus 20i minus 60. You then put that all over 40 and you get negative 50 minus 50i over 40, which cancels out, giving you negative 5 minus 5i over 4. The next thing is multiplying two conjugate complex numbers. The equation is 2 minus 4i times 2 plus 4i. Then you get 4 times 16, negative 16, and then the I squared gives you a negative 1, making it a positive 20. The next topic is a bit tricky. It is solving a quadratic equation with complex solutions. The equation is 3x squared minus 4x plus 2. You must use the quadratic formula to solve this. b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. The 4, 3, and 2 give you a negative 24, which then gives you a negative 8 inside of the square root. So it's 4 plus or minus square root of negative 8 over 6. This then gives you an I in the following. So you get 4 plus or minus 2i square root of 2 over 6. You then take out a 2 of all of these, and then you split up the different answers. So you get 2 minus I square root 2 over 3, and 2 plus I square root of 2 over 3 for the answers to the equation.